Hey everybody, coming to you today with a 2002 Acura MDX Touring. Today we have been working on some of the shift and torque converter solenoids, as well as some of the pressure switches. So first I'm going to cover for you the third and fourth clutch pressure switches. So in order to get at those, they are on the driver's side of the vehicle, and they happen to be easiest to get to right behind this wheel well. Now you don't have to remove the whole shroud. In fact, you can see I stopped right back here and just folded it down and out of the way after I removed the tire. To do that, I had to remove some clips here, 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 a couple more over there on the body panel, one here, another one up here, and two of the bolts from here underneath, as well as right back here at the very back. And once you get those, you can kind of pull all the plastic out of the wheel well and push it to the side and push it to the front, and that will leave you plenty of room to get in here and work on these pressure switches. So, third gear pressure switch is right behind this black tray. You'll have one bolt here, another bolt here. You'll remove those, leave this wire routed through here, and pull this shroud to the side. When you expose it, you will see something just like this, except behind it will be a different plug, different color plug, excuse me. One of them is brown, one of them is black. Obviously you'll want to match the two for yourself, and make sure you're using the right ones in the right location. For me, this was the setup. Now, in order to remove them, you just put on a wrench here, pull off the clips, and go ahead and screw it right out. Don't worry, it will not leak very much tranny fluid. You just throw in the new one with the washer, tighten it down nice and good, and put the clips back on. You're ready to go. And that is the third and fourth gear clutch pressure switch.